In the late 18th century, Britain became the birthplace of a transformation that would reshape the world. The Industrial Revolution began with new inventions in textile production, including the spinning jenny and the water frame, which multiplied output beyond anything hand labor could achieve. Steam power soon followed. James Watt's improved steam engine allowed factories to move beyond rivers and powered mines, mills, and machines across the country. Iron production expanded, railways spread rapidly, and cities like Manchester and Birmingham grew into industrial centers. Britain's access to coal, global trade networks, and political stability helped fuel this change. But industrialization also brought harsh working conditions and crowded urban life. By the mid-19th century, Britain had become the world's leading industrial power, exporting technology, goods, and new economic ideas that would drive global industrial growth for generations.